Welcome back, Chargers. I know you're excited, and I am too. Do you know it's been 3,864 hours since you last heard? Good morning, Green Acres! It is a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Hey, we've got some big reminders for you coming up. The first thing is show up. Be here at school, even when school is at home. Be on time. Don't just show up whenever. Don't say, oh, my computer wasn't working, when you know for sure it definitely was. And be ready to go. Have your materials out. Be ready to learn. When you are, you make for an excellent Charger. You're showing your ambition. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, to make sure you log into Schoology. Schoology is the place where you're going to get all of the information you could possibly need for school each day. We've got big reminders. We're talking about Zoom, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, you were given a code so that you can get into your class. Do we share? No, 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 no. We do not share our codes with others. We don't want to be a disruption or have others create a disruption in our class. This Thursday is back to school night. It is Thursday the 27th. It starts at 5:15 with a parent meeting. 5:30 will be an opportunity to go into your classes. You'll follow your regular classroom order, and all the information you were looking for is on our GAMS Schoology page. So be sure you check that out so you can get all the information that you could possibly need. Big news in the world of leadership. ASB elections are happening. And if you are an 8th grader and you are interested in running for a position, make sure you click on the Zoom meeting for a meeting this Wednesday at 12:15. You'll be talking with Mrs. Montgomery. You'll have an opportunity to learn about running for president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, spirit commissioner, activities commissioner as well. These are 8th grade only positions. However, all students will have an opportunity to vote. So that's it for the day's bulletin. Remember, people, we are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.